Aivita is a clinic that focuses on precision preventive medicine, regenerative medicine, and anti-aging. We are dedicated to helping clients restore their youthful physical and mental states through scientific and data-driven health management, avoiding the pain often associated with traditional medical treatments. Our name, Aivita, combines AI, artificial intelligence, and Vita life, symbolizing our application of AI technology and precise data analysis to provide personalized health assessments and regenerative medicine treatments. In addition, our sister company LumiSTAR is a leading biotechnology firm in the field of iPSC, induced pluripotent stem cells, in Taiwan. This enables us to offer unique family-based iPSC services, which include a dedicated family iPSC cell bank and exosomes secreted by iPSCs. iPSCs can revert adult cells to a stem cell state, allowing for differentiation or the secretion of exosomes. This service differs from traditional MSC, mesenchymal stem cell, storage services because it allows adults to utilize their own cells, the cells from when they were 50, to compensate for the effects of aging in the future. For those with conservative views who prefer not to have other people's stem cells enter their bodies, this provides a more acceptable choice. Regarding exosomes, we collaborate with Axel Biotechnology, the only company in Taiwan that holds a patent for exosome quality assessment, to conduct third-party quality certification to ensure our high-quality services. We understand that every client has unique health management needs. Therefore, we carefully consider various factors, such as religious beliefs, dietary habits, and lifestyle choices when designing this service. Our family-based exosome production means that clients can receive high-quality exosomes tailored specifically for them, without concerns about risks from unknown sources. Our service aims to provide a more personalized and acceptable solution, allowing clients to maximize the benefits of advanced medical technology while protecting their health. Aivita Clinic is part of the Aivita Health Group, headquartered in the Dubai International Financial Center, DIFC, committed to the global development of health management and regenerative medicine. Our vision is to combine advanced medical technologies with precise data analysis to create a transnational health management platform that offers the highest standards of personalized health services to our clients. Aivita Clinic is not just a clinic. It is your health partner that we strive to help each client achieve youthfulness and vitality from within through precision medicine and personalized health management, starting a new chapter in healthy living.